What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer. And finally, what we've got in here, you guys, are the new PlayStation 5 colors. The new faceplates are finally here. I don't know if you guys remember, but Sony not too long ago came out with the black faceplates, as you can see here, as well as the cosmic red, the new controllers. We did an unboxing video of all of those new colors, but there were a few missing. We didn't have the Starlight Blue, the Galactic Purple, and the Nova Pink. Those were missing from the faceplates. We had the controllers, but we got them in here. So let's do a quick unboxing, see what they look like in person, see if they're worth picking up, and go from there. All right, so let's take a, where's my knife at? Carl, what'd you do with my knife? Listen, come on, Carl. I'm actually pretty pumped to see what these actually look like. Shout out to Sony for sending them over to us a little bit early. So let's take a look. What do you guys think is first? It doesn't matter. So we got the Starlight Blue over here. That Nova Pink, which I think is way too close to the Cosmic Red, but we'll get into that. And the Galactic Purple. So we've got all the missing colors here in this galaxy theme that Sony has come out with for the PlayStation 5. Which one we doing first, y'all? All right, I guess I'll pick. Galactic Purple? All right, Carl would go for the purple first.
My birthday's in 2 months, so early birthday.
Okay, birthday in 2 months. Talk to me then. Now, it's really surprising to see how big the box is, but it makes sense considering the PlayStation is huge.
That's it?
I mean, yeah, just the plates. So let's see here. Okay, Carl, looking real Barney-like. There you go. That's how you know it's official. When it's got the PlayStation logo in that top corner over there, it's legit. So currently we do have the black faceplates over here. Jay, I'm about to struggle again, man.
Maybe you're looking so scared.
Oh, snap. There you go.
You really have to lift it, push forward, back.
Right. And then it's back. Actually, it's kind of like a...
You guys sound like putting cheat codes.
I think it's just the corner. You just lift up from the corner.
This side gets me every time. Dom was right. All you have to do is just pop that one corner. There you go. All right, let's do this. All right, so here we go. We got the purple, or I guess galactic purple PS5. I'm not gonna lie. On their own, sometimes the plates can look a little, whatever. But when you put it on the actual PlayStation 5, it looks a lot better. That looks pretty clean. I'll give it to you, Carl. You know when they say there's somebody for everybody? Carl's that somebody for the galactic purple. Yes. Nah, but I'm not gonna lie. I do think the purple looks a lot better once it's actually on the PS5. It looks pretty good.
Do you like the black one better or the purple one?
I mean, I'm not a big purple fan, so I do think the black looks better. But you know, this is all you, my man.
I can have it.
Huh? No, I said talk to me when it's your birthday. All right, what are we doing next? Nova Pink? All right, we'll save the best for last. All right, this pink is bright. You can tell it's bright. With the wrapper on it, it looks bright already. Oh, come on, Judd. That's a hot pink right there. It is very intense. Now, I have my gripes about the pink. Like, the pink and the cosmic red to me, I just feel like they're too close in color to both exist. I'm not leaning towards the pink or the cosmic red. I just think there should be one. There are all these other great colors out there, like green. I think green should be a thing, but you know, we got two variations. Listen, Jay, teal's and... All right, let's swap this out. Listen, I feel like any of the plates. Once you throw them on the PlayStation, they start to look a lot more legit. It's cool, you know, for the pink lovers out there. I sound like a broken record. I just wish they chose one. But this is nice. This is nice too. It's loud though. That's kudos to the PlayStation 5's design, I feel like. I feel like Sony did a really good job where you can just throw any color on these and it's gonna come out looking pretty fire. Because with the controller next to it, these look pretty good. Now, like I said, we got the best color right here. Let's open it up. I'm pretty bad at this, huh? Nah, the champ is here. Oh, nah, this is fire. This is fire.
This might go harder than the light. I'm sorry.
Carl, you're not wrong, man. You're not wrong. This looks crazy. And then when you turn it on and like if you turn it on, you get those blue lights going. Then we're talking about serious business. I think I might like this more than the white. My only problem with the faceplates is like, this is a big console, you know? And the plates stand out a lot. White is easy to throw into any setup you have really, because most people have white walls. You can kind of match, you know? Any of these faceplates, it's kind of tough because that's a big splash of color that comes kind of out of nowhere. But I feel like the PlayStation looks so good on its own that it's kind of like worth it. Like, oh, look at my standout piece, my PS5 console right here.
Secure the PS5, we got people now.
Yeah, like bro, I'm one of the chosen. All right, we've got a clear winner, right? This is the best looking of all of the new colors. This thing looks so dope. All right, so we know that this is the best looking one, at least amongst the people in here. You guys, let us know in the comments which is your jam, which is the one that you would go for, whether it's white, black, cosmic red, or the newer galactic purple, nova pink, starlight blue. Now, what if we just throw on a black plate, right? You would think I'd master this by now. Okay, what are we thinking about the two-tone look?
Kind of like some Tron vibes.
I think I like the blue on blue a little bit more.
Oh, forget.
Definitely getting Two-Face vibes. So Sony's probably onto something with the faceplate idea, being able to switch it up. They just better not come out with a new version or a new design anytime soon. I think I've seen some rumors about a PlayStation Slim. Hopefully we don't see that anytime soon since so many people are still trying to get their hands on just a regular version. Yeah, but I also feel like they kind of have their Slim with the digital version. Like let's just stay on track until PS6, okay? I'm good with this. But that about wraps it up, guys. I think we've got a good look at this stuff. I feel like blue's the winner, but I want to know what you guys think. Comment down below. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, be the cool guy, girl that gives this video a thumbs up. Yeah, these are nice. Peace. What? Nah, Carl, get your behind out of here. I'll take it back.